Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the topic word processing. So, what is word processing? Or word processing software is required for the creation of documents that are text-based. It has the tools to allow the user to editing, formatting, and print document. A Word document may also contain pictures and table. How we will start OpenOffice Writer? First, you will click on the Start program. First, you will click on the Start. Then you will click on the all programs. Then you will click on OpenOffice. You can also click on the OpenOffice logo in your desktop. So OpenOffice screen and its components are basically, we can show you. This is a ruler bar. This is a tab. This is the work area. This is a status bar. Now tabs contain drop down menu which have commands. Ruler. There are two types of ruler, horizontal and vertical. This is horizontal and this is vertical. Status bar. It displays information about the current open document. It displays the current page number. Here you can see page number. Okay. Now work area, where you will work. You can hide the status bar by view and unselect status bar. Writer tabs. What is writer tabs? The OpenOffice Writer has the following tabs: File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Modify and Window. Here you will see File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tab, Tools, Windows and Help. Okay. Now the file menu, to apply commands to current document, to open or close document. Here file menu, it is used for open, close, save as, etc. Edit, for editing the current document, for example cut, paste. Here you will see edit, cut, paste, etc. Cut, paste, select all. View, for controlling display of document on the screen. Insert, for inserting new elements in documents. Format, for formatting the layout and content of the document. Tools, for spelling check, gallery of object. Table, to insert, edit, delete a table in a text document. Windows, for manipulating and displaying document windows. Here you will see all the menus or all the tab: file, edit, view, insert, format, table, tools, window, etc. Okay. Now file tab. The OpenOffice Writer is used to create a text document. The document is stored as a file in the computer with the extension .dot. Here you will see you have write something. Now you will go to the file. Now save. Click on the save option. Here a save dialog box appear. Here you will write the name, anything. So the extension is .odt. Okay, now you will save. Here let's see, at the status bar you will see hjh openoffice.org. Here the file will be saved .odt, hjh.odt. Okay. Here new, create a new text document. Open, for open an existing text document. Recent documents, view list of recent text documents. Close is for close a text document. Save is for save an already existing text documents. Save as, select folder to save text documents. Shortcut key of save, Control S, shortcut key of save as, control plus shift plus S. Here page preview option, page preview text document before printing. Print is for printer text document. Printer setting is for make printer setting before printing. Exit for exit open office writer. Shortcut key is control plus Q. Here are some options. Using new, when you will click file new, a drop down menu appears to create a document. Here you will see file new. Here are some options appears in the new text document, spreadsheet, present, which type of file you need. You want text document type of file, you want spreadsheet, you want presentation type of file, if you want drawing, if you want database type of file. All the files will open when you will click on any of one options. Okay. Now using save as, you know, this is used when you want to save a file for the first time, or save an already saved file with a different name. Okay. When you click file tab, save as option will appear. Okay. What you will do, you will click on the file option. Here you will click on the save as. Then you will type a name, save. Click on the save. It will be saved with other name. Okay. So to preview your document before printing, you will go file and page preview. Go to the file, go to the page preview. Here you can see page preview. Now close the page preview. It is used for when you will print your document. Okay. Next is edit tab. The edit tab consists of commands required to perform editing to the current document. It contains several commands. Now you can see undo is used for undo the latest change the document. Redo the latest change in document. Cut is for the selected text you can cut. Copy, you can copy the selected text. Paste is used for paste the text where you want. Select all, you can select whole document by control A. You can also use the shortcut key control A. For cut you can use control X. For copy you can use control C. For paste control V. Find and replace, you can find any word, any text in a file using find and replace. The shortcut key is control plus F. There is also move text option. Remove the text to be moved by selecting the text and then applying file, edit, cut. Then take the cursor to the place in document where you want to move the text. Then do file, edit, paste. Okay. Copy text. You know about the copy text. Find and replace. You know about the find and replace. You will press Control plus F. Then find and replace box will appear. You can search the text, and if you want to replace, you can type replace with and click for selected text. You will click on the replace, or you want to replace in whole page or whole sentence or in a whole file, you will press replace all. Okay. Okay, thank you students.